Imagine that cicada's still alive.
I'll put it on YouTube. You want to get closer, Josh? Put it up real close.
I think the cicada is killing the bee. What is apple?
That's awesome. Why is he ripping him up?
Somebody's trying to leave.
Why is he ripping him up? Dad, can I go with you?
No.
Why?
Get him?
Hey,
I think he's fine, Dad. I'm not sure.
That's a tough way to go right there.
Come on, boys.
No, he isn't dead yet. Well, I don't think they feel
He's
anything.
just like burrowing into his head.
Well, get up close. Get up close. Mike can see it.
Try to get close, but it gets blurry. He's
It's
zoomed in.
stinging. It's stinging him and biting him at the same time.
Hey,
The guy's all the way zoomed in, but
Here, let me see.